Welcome to the exciting world of cybersecurity. If you're an IT professional seeking a challenging and rewarding career change, cybersecurity is a natural next step. Your existing IT skills provide a strong foundation for success in this rapidly growing field. As technology becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, the need to protect sensitive data and systems from cyber threats has never been greater. Cybersecurity professionals are on the front lines of this battle, working tirelessly to safeguard organizations and individuals from cyber attacks. This guide will provide a roadmap for IT professionals looking to transition into cybersecurity. We'll explore the key skills and knowledge needed, discuss certifications and training opportunities, and provide practical tips for landing your dream job in this dynamic industry. Whether you're a seasoned systems administrator, a network engineer, or a help desk technician, your IT background gives you a head start in the world of cybersecurity. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Before diving into the specifics of transitioning into cybersecurity, it's crucial to grasp the fundamentals of this ever-evolving field. Cybersecurity encompasses the protection of computer systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. The cyber threat landscape is constantly changing, with new vulnerabilities and attack vectors emerging all the time. Cyber criminals are becoming more sophisticated, employing advanced techniques to exploit weaknesses in systems and steal valuable information. Cybersecurity professionals play a vital role in mitigating these risks. They design, implement, and maintain security measures to protect organizations from cyber attacks. These professionals also respond to incidents, investigating breaches and implementing measures to prevent future attacks. Understanding the different types of cyber threats, attack vectors, and security controls is essential for anyone pursuing a career in cybersecurity. Staying up to date on the latest trends and best practices is crucial in this rapidly evolving field. As an IT professional, you already possess a wealth of knowledge and skills that are directly transferable to cybersecurity. Your understanding of operating systems, networking protocols, and hardware configurations provides a solid foundation for success in this field. For example, your experience in troubleshooting technical issues, managing user accounts, and implementing security patches is invaluable in a cybersecurity role. Your ability to think critically, solve problems, and work independently are highly sought-after traits in this industry. Moreover, your familiarity with IT infrastructure, software development lifecycles, and cloud computing environments gives you a distinct advantage in understanding and mitigating cybersecurity risks. These skills are in high demand as organizations increasingly rely on complex IT systems. Don't underestimate the value of your existing IT skill set. By highlighting these skills on your resume and during interviews, you can demonstrate your readiness to transition into a cybersecurity role. While your IT background provides a strong foundation, specializing in specific cybersecurity domains is crucial for career advancement. Here are some key areas to consider. Network security. This domain focuses on securing computer networks from unauthorized access, data breaches, and other cyber threats. Knowledge of firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and VPNs is essential. Incident response. Incident responders are responsible for investigating and mitigating security breaches. They analyze security logs, identify vulnerabilities, and implement measures to prevent future attacks. Ethical hacking. Ethical hackers use their skills to identify and exploit vulnerabilities in systems and applications, helping organizations strengthen their security posture. Security tools. Mastering the use of security tools, such as vulnerability scanners, penetration testing frameworks, and security information and event management (SEM) systems is crucial for any cybersecurity professional. Numerous online resources, boot camps, and certifications can help you develop expertise in these areas. Choosing a specialization that aligns with your interests and career goals will increase your chances of success. Section 5, the power of certifications, validating your expertise. In the competitive field of cybersecurity, certifications demonstrate your knowledge and skills to potential employers. Earning industry-recognized certifications can significantly enhance your resume and increase your earning potential. Some popular cybersecurity certifications include CompTIA Security Plus. This entry-level certification validates your knowledge of fundamental security concepts, threats, and countermeasures. Certified Information Systems. Security Professional or CSSP. This globally recognized certification is ideal for experienced security professionals with at least 5 years of experience. Certified Ethical Hacker, also known as CEH. This certification focuses on ethical hacking techniques and methodologies, validating your ability to identify and exploit system vulnerabilities. Offensive Security Certified Professional, or OSCP. This hands-on certification tests your ability to perform penetration testing and exploit vulnerabilities in a simulated environment. Research different certifications and choose ones that align with your career aspirations and experience level. Many online resources and training programs can help you prepare for these exams. Section 6. Gaining practical experience, from CTFs to bug bounties. While certifications are valuable, practical experience is equally important in cybersecurity. Fortunately, numerous avenues exist for gaining hands-on experience before entering the job market. Capture the Flag, CTF competitions. CTFs are online competitions where individuals or teams solve security challenges to earn points. These competitions provide a fun and engaging way to develop your skills in a safe environment. Internships. Internships offer invaluable real-world experience, allowing you to work alongside seasoned professionals and gain exposure to different aspects of cybersecurity. Bug bounty programs. Many companies offer bug bounties, rewarding individuals who discover and report vulnerabilities in their systems. Participating in these programs can enhance your skills and potentially earn you financial rewards. These experiences allow you to apply your knowledge, develop new skills, and build a portfolio of projects to showcase your abilities to potential employers. Section 7. Networking your way to success. Networking plays a crucial role in any job search, and cybersecurity is no exception. Building relationships with other professionals in the field can open doors to job opportunities, provide valuable insights, and keep you informed about industry trends. Attend cybersecurity conferences and workshops, join online forums and communities, and connect with people on LinkedIn. Engage in discussions, ask questions, and share your knowledge. Building a strong professional network can give you a competitive edge in the job market. Don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire or who work at companies you're interested in. Most professionals are happy to share their experiences and offer advice to aspiring cybersecurity professionals. Section 8. Tailoring your resume and interview skills. When applying for cybersecurity jobs, tailor your resume and cover letter to highlight your relevant skills and experience. Use keywords from the job description and quantify your accomplishments whenever possible. For example, instead of simply stating that you have experience with firewalls, specify the types of firewalls you've worked with and the specific tasks you performed. Instead of saying you're a problem solver, provide concrete examples of how you've resolved complex technical issues. During interviews, be prepared to discuss your technical skills, your passion for cybersecurity, and your career goals. Practice answering common interview questions and be prepared to provide detailed explanations of your thought processes and problem-solving abilities. Section 9. The Cybersecurity Journey, a marathon, not a sprint. Transitioning into cybersecurity is a journey that requires dedication, persistence, and a thirst for knowledge. The field is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is essential for staying ahead of the curve. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. Seek out mentors and peers who can provide guidance and support along the way. Remember, the most successful cybersecurity professionals are those who are passionate about their work and committed to lifelong learning. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you'll be well on your way to a rewarding and fulfilling career in cybersecurity. The demand for skilled professionals is only going to increase, so now is the perfect time to take the leap and embark on this exciting journey.